Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain Yahoo Mail's QR code login feature. This innovative method allows you to securely access your email without typing a password. It's designed for convenience and enhanced security, especially when using public computers or shared devices. You simply scan a unique code displayed on your computer screen using your mobile phone. This process eliminates the need to remember complex passwords, making your login experience much smoother and quicker. We'll explore how it works and its many benefits. To begin, open the Yahoo Mail application on your smartphone. From there, you'll find an option to scan a QR code for login. On your computer, visit the Yahoo Mail login page, and instead of entering your password, look for the Sign In with QR code option. A unique, one-time QR code will then appear on your computer screen. Simply point your phone's camera at this code within the app, and your desktop session will be instantly authenticated. It's a seamless two-step verification process. The primary benefit is speed. You can log in mere seconds, much quicker than typing a long password. It also significantly boosts security, as you avoid exposing your password to keyloggers or shoulder surfers. Your mobile device acts as a secure authentication token, adding an extra layer of protection. This method is particularly useful on shared or public computers, where you might be hesitant to enter sensitive credentials. It simplifies the login process while maintaining robust account security. While highly convenient, remember to keep your mobile device secure, as it becomes your primary login key. Always use a strong passcode or biometric authentication on your phone. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Only scan QR codes directly from the official Yahoo Mail website. Ensure you are on a trusted network when logging in to prevent any interception. If your phone is lost or stolen, immediately revoke access from your Yahoo account settings on another device. Stay vigilant for a secure experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.